Indeed. When I saw that, I assumed it was going to be a female scooterist group, but turns out not. Good morning, everybody. Car and Biker here. Just leaving Bainton Cafe, where we saw the scooter slags. Not the... well, I'm assuming they gave that name to themselves. Not the nicest of names, but hey-ho, each to their own. Got Mrs. C on the pillion, and got Chris behind me. And we're off to do a couple 100 miles or so. Just a nice little ride. We're off to Ilkley Moor Cow and Calf. I've shown you that before. And then we're off to a place called Sawley Abbey, which I haven't shown you before. I've never seen it myself. So I've got the drone with me just in case I get the chance to fly the drone around it. It's an English heritage site, so I can't take off from within the site, but I can take off and land outside of it and fly around it. So I'm hoping the conditions are right and that there's a good place to do that from. Otherwise, I'll be walking around with my camera. And then we're off to see a big stone, off to Hawes for a second cuppa, and then home. So it should be a nice ride. I've not actually worked out the distance. I know that to Sawley Abbey is just over 100 miles. So I think the entire ride is going to be in the region of 250 by the time we're finished. It's looking like it's not a bad day for a ride. It's cloudy. The temperature is just on the right side of cold. But it's only 10 in the morning, so it's hopefully it's going to warm up. But as Mrs. C said, we're definitely at that time of year where it starts a little bit chillier and warms up throughout the day. And from the biking year, we're at that time of year where you haven't quite, or I haven't quite resigned myself to riding in the rain and getting the heated vest and gloves on. We're not there yet. But we are approaching that time when you see a sunny, warm day, you think, must ride. Got to take advantage. Whereas the last couple of months have been, well, depends how you look at it. For riding bikes, they've been absolutely brilliant. We've had very little rain, if any. We actually had 2 thunderstorms this week, but even they dried out quickly because it was warm. But before that, we've had almost nothing for months, which you'll have seen if you've watched my previous videos. You'll see what state the reservoirs are in because of it. But for biking, it's been amazing. Been the best summer in years. Love those little cottages with the thatched roof. I guess it's a good day for gliding as well. It was tempting to kick it, but I thought I'd best not. Good view of a kite. When we get to what Ilkley, I'm going to go to petrol station. I know where it is, just as we go in. £1.80 for a cauliflower? I'll let you lead us all the way to Cow and Calf then.
To where?
Cow and Calf. Oh, could go to Paisley for a pie. Yeah. Yeah, I don't want to go alongside. This is Ilkley, just down the road from the Cow and Calf, where we're going to stop for a cuppa. Want a leg stretch? Huh? Do you want a leg stretch? Yeah. We stopped at a petrol station and saw a fight. I think the Wasp won. It was quite the battle. Unfortunately, I was changing battery when it started, but the Wasp was near the top of the wall. The Spider pounced out from nowhere and grabbed it. They both fell to the floor, and I think the Spider got a bite on the Wasp and the Wasp got a sting in the Spider, but ultimately the Spider got pulled to bits, so I would say lost. The Wasp didn't look very healthy though. I'm not sure it's going to survive much longer. Mrs. C there swearing for the camera, and this is the climb up to the Cow and Calf. As I say, I've shown you this before. I'm hoping, looking at the leaves on the trees, I'm hoping that there's no wind and I might be able to get the drone up to check there's no restrictions in force. They've been doing a lot of things recently, a lot of NOTAMs as they call them, notice to airmen. A lot of temporary ones going up, preventing you flying or adding risk. So even if it's not windy, there's a potential. They're doing a lot of testing of jamming equipment at the moment, which I assume is to work out whether they can jam drones or not. I can feel the wind getting up, so I think I might be out of luck. If I'm not, if I manage to get the drone up while I'm here, I'll pop the footage on the end of the video, but if it's not there, that's because it was too windy. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. Ride safe as people climb to the top. And I'll talk to you all again soon.